In this lecture, we are going to talk about keyframes, which is the most important concept in After Effects. I'm gonna click on the car layer. I press P to bring up the position property. And here we see a stopwatch. I'm gonna click on the stopwatch. And we notice there's a blue diamond that appeared right here at 0 second. I'm gonna move the playhead to 5 seconds, and I'm gonna change the X position of the car like this. And now we notice there's a new diamond that has appeared. We have two diamonds, one at 0 second and one at 5 seconds. We call these diamonds keyframes. And now if I bring back the playhead to 0 second and I press space to play, now we see the car moving and there's an animation. Space again to stop. If I move this keyframe from 5 seconds to 2 seconds, move the playhead right here, I play. Now the car is much faster. If I take the keyframe from here to here, 10 seconds, and I play, we notice now the car is very slow. I'm gonna bring the keyframe to 5 seconds right here. Gonna move to 6 seconds. I'm gonna create a new keyframe by going right here, add keyframe at current time. I click and now we have a third keyframe. So now the car goes from here to here, and 1 second it stays here, and I go to 10 seconds. I'm gonna bring it back by changing the X value once again. Like this. And now if I play, we see the car going from left to right, stops for 1 second, and then goes back from right to left. I can select this keyframe and delete it by pressing the button delete. If I want to delete this keyframe as well, same thing. I press delete. And if I want to delete all the keyframes and cancel the entire animation, all I have to do is click on the stopwatch. And now we no longer have any keyframes. We can move the playhead using the mouse. We can also move it by pressing and maintaining control. So control, and I use the right and left arrows, and this way I can move frame by frame. You can see the time here. I move frame by frame using the left and the right arrows like this. If I press Control and Shift at the same time, I move by 10 frames like this. I can go here and type where I want the playhead to be, like 5 seconds for example. I write 500, I press enter, and now the playhead is right here at 5 seconds. I can also click here, preview time, go to time. If I write like 7 seconds for example, I click on OK, and now the playhead has moved to 7 seconds. We can zoom in and out the timeline by using these buttons. I can zoom in by clicking here. I can zoom out by clicking here. And I can also move this to zoom in and out this way. And the third option, I press Alt and use the scroll wheel just like this to zoom in and out.